In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Performance Center in QuickBooks Online Advanced. The Performance Center is a helpful dashboard designed to give you a clear visual view of your business performance. Instead of digging through multiple reports one by one, you can use charts and widgets to monitor key numbers like revenue, expenses, cash flow, and gross profit all in one place. This makes it much easier to spot trends, compare results over time, and keep an eye on the metrics that matter most to your business. To get started, open QuickBooks Online Advanced, go to Reports, and then select Performance Center. Once you're there, you'll see that the dashboard already includes some pre-built widgets. These are useful for getting a quick snapshot right away, but the real value comes from customizing the dashboard to match your business goals. If you want a fast overview of common metrics, use the Quick Add Charts option. Click Quick Add Charts, then choose a metric from the drop-down menu, such as revenue or expenses. As soon as you select one, the chart will appear on your dashboard instantly. This is a great option when you want to build your dashboard quickly without spending time on detailed setup. You can also adjust the time period by clicking the drop-down in the corner of the chart, which helps you view the data for the range that's most useful to you. If you need to track more specific information, create a custom chart from scratch. Select Add New Chart, then choose the primary metric you want to follow, such as net profit or accounts receivable, and click Continue. After that, name your chart so it's easy to recognize later, then select the date range and choose the chart type. Trend lines work especially well when you want to see performance over time, while vertical bars are better for comparing totals side by side. Next, group the data based on how you want to analyze it, such as by class, location, or customer. You can also add up to 10 specific items to display, which is useful for keeping the chart focused and readable. If needed, apply filters to narrow down the results even further, and when everything looks right, select Add to Dashboard. You can also use industry benchmarks to understand how your business compares with similar companies. To do that, go to the Settings Gear tab inside the Performance Center and enter your exact industry and location details. Once that's set up, industry benchmarks from the last 12 months will appear in gray on your charts, helping you evaluate where your business stands in areas like profit margins. With just a few adjustments, the Performance Center can become a powerful tool for tracking your business at a glance and making better informed decisions.